The Attorney General's Chambers has reportedly been trying to determine since 2015 whether there were any pending cases against the state. The AG says a number of lawyers to whom cases might have been outsourced were written to, but most of them have failed to respond to those letters.
We wrote individual lawyers. We have those letters. We wrote including Ashton Chase, Royce Ford, Nigel Hughes, Neil Boston. We wrote lawyers. Ram Karan from Cameron Shepherd, asking if they had any cases that for the Attorney General, etc. And then we wrote the court, asked if the court to supply us with a list of the cases involving the Attorney General's chambers.
Attorney General Basil Williams addressing reporters at a recent media briefing earlier this week. The implications are that the AG's chambers is often unaware of legal action brought against the state during the tenure of the previous administration, and the state is made to pay for what could have been an oversight by the previous AG to hand over those court matters effectively. According to the AG, only two lawyers, Ashton Chase and Stephen Fraser, responded to the AG's chambers.
We asked lawyers, including the same Ashton Chase, and he never disclosed that case to us. And I believe that people have to start being charged now. Anyone from now who continues to proceed with a case that has not been handed over, I would take criminal action against them. We wrote individual lawyers that I thought might know something about cases. We wrote the CJ, the Chief Justice, and the Chancellor, and they supplied us with a list of cases that we had.
He added that some lists of cases have been produced and provided to the AG's chambers, and that at present there are thousands of cases that are still to be handled in the courts.
There are plenty of cases still before the court. And maybe in our office 3 years, we have a very litigious society. Tens of thousands of cases are before the court. And that's the danger. That's why we want to get, we don't know how many cases, for example, people were dealing with and left with the ministry because they had no system. You had, the system they had was that each lawyer had a set of cases. That's what we inherited. And that's why we're trying to get a central register set up so that we could know what we have.
Reporting for HGP Nightly News, I am Kristen Macklingham.